Hello and welcome to my channel. So today let's look at today's Leetcode challenge question 201 bitwise and of a numbers range. The question is given two integers left and right that represent the range left to right. Return the bitwise AND of all numbers in this range, inclusively. So when we saw this question, the first thought maybe what you want to do is to bitwise all the numbers between left and right. But the problem is we need to check the range. So left and right, actually the numbers might be like more than 2 times 10 to the power of 9. So it will definitely get a TLE. So that's why we cannot do it just in the like brute force. So the question actually can be solved by beta operation. So firstly, we want to check like the AND. What is the property of AND? Bit AND. So the AND property, one property is if you AND multiple numbers, like 5 numbers here, but there is 1 0, then the AND will result in a 0. But only when there is like no zeros in your AND, no matter how many numbers you are ANDing, then you will get a 1. So, but if you either have 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, it doesn't matter. The result will always be 0. So, so to solve this question, let's look at like example 1. The left is 5. Right is 7. So if we represent this two number in beta operations, the left will be this, like in the binary. So the right will be this. So actually we add a 0 because they are like the integer actually are 32-bit. So actually we can add like padding zeros. It doesn't hurt. So actually we can see that as long as right larger than left, the AND will have will result 0 in the last digit. So because if right is larger than left, then in the last digit it must be alternating. That if the right the last digit is 1, then next be larger than that number is it will be have a last digit as 0. So it will actually, it must have at least 1 0. So that's how we get this conclusion. So for this problem, what we can do is we can look for the prefix, common prefix of this two binary number. So the common prefix for this two number is 001, and then we actually will padding all like zeros to the right side. So in the end, the result will be 100, which is 4. So let's start maybe writing the code. So we want to record the shift, the number of shift, so that we know like how many digits on to the right side of the first common, like the first location that the prefix is equal. So in the end we need to shift back so that we can get 00100. So yeah, so as long as the left is smaller than right, we will do a left. No, actually we should do the shift to the right side. So shift to the right side. So 0010 will become 010, and 011 will become 0011. So I mean shift to the right side for one digit. So and we need to add a shift so that we know like how many shifts we did. So in the end we just need to shift back the left, and I mean to shift to the left side for shift times, and then we can just return the left. So yeah, also let's check the example 2. So for the example 2, left is 0, right is 0. So the shift will be 0. So we do left shift left shift to the left 0 times, then it's still left. It will be equal to left. So the answer will be still left, will be 0. So it's correct. So example 3 is left is 1, but right is integer max. So what we will get is we will shift to the left. So in this example, left is 1, and right is like 32 ones. So what we so we actually shift to the right, then the first shift once, then this 1 will be 0, but those are actually still like so actually we will shift like 32 times. So but the left so actually the left is already 0, so when we shift back 32 times, it will be still 0. So the left will be 0. So all the case seems is fine in the testing cases. Yeah, so it's correct. Seems, yeah, and also the time complexity. So this while loop maximally will execute 32 times. So so actually the time complexity will be 01. Although it's 32 times, but it's still a constant. Space time complexity is similarly 01. So let me try and let's check if it's all correct. Okay, so let us submit. Okay, cool. Yeah. So if you have a question, please comment on the video. If you like it, please subscribe and click like button. Yeah. Thank you for watching. See you next time.